He says to me, if you play for keeps. Take the gun and count to 3. I'm sweating now, moving slow. No time to think, my turn to go. And you can see my just pull the trigger.
Hey, I promise you, I will not let anything happen to you.
I was hoping you would give the Salvador brothers a message for me. Game on.
You're the liar, man. There is something going on between the two of us, and you know it.
I'm so scared for Elena, baby. So scared for her. And you should be. God, you all should be.
Close your eyes. Sometimes it helps. And then I get a scary thought that he's here means he's never lost. And you can see my heart beating. No, you can see it through my chest. That I'm terrified, but I'm not leaving. Know that I must pass this test, so just pull the trigger. As my life flashes before my eyes, I'm wondering, will I ever see another sunrise? So many won't get the chance to say goodbye, but it's too late to think of the value of my life. And you can see my heart beating. No, well, you can see it through my chest. That I'm terrified, but I'm not leaving. No, know that I must pass this test. And you can see my heart beating. Oh, you can see through my chest. I'm terrified, but I'm not leaving now. Know that I must pass this test, so just pull the trigger.